How to know your GCash reference number. So let me head over to one of the article which is gonna help you out. So in this article, you're gonna see the step-by-step process on how you can use it. In this page, you'll also get to know what is GCash reference number, how you can use this reference number, and many more. Over here it says how to find the reference number on GCash. You can also see the step-by-step process. So the very first step is you have to install the application GCash on your device. After that, you have to open your GCash app on your Android device. Then go to your transaction history by tapping the history tab. Then you have to find the transaction whose reference number you want. After that, simply view the details of the transaction by tapping on it. And then within the transaction details, you can get the reference number. And then you'll be good to go. You can get the reference number of any transaction within unlimited time. After that, you cannot find it in the history. If you need your old transaction reference number, then you must need to contact the GCash customer care service. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can find the reference number on GCash. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.